Bro, what is a pimp? What is a pimp, bro? Like, what is a pimp? My God, like, yeah, what is a pimp? What is a pimp?
Damn, a fucking sandwich.
Bro, I just seen somebody on Instagram talking about I'm up 10 pips, I'm up 20 pips, and I'm up, you feel me? I'm up 10, 20 pips on a day. I just made $100 today. What is a pip? Like, bro, like I don't know what is a pip. What is a pip? Can somebody help me know what is a pip? In the most basicest way, like, what is a pip, gang? I don't know what is a pip. What is a pip? I just heard a man say he up 10 pips and he up 10,000. One of my chains cost 200,000. One of my rings cost your house. It's like, what, like, bro, like, what's going on, bro? Help me. Chill, bro, chill out, gang. Just chill, bro. Like, bro, I can help you figure out what's a pip, bro. Like, if you don't understand what a pip is, bro, you came to the right man, you feel? You came to the right man, you feel? You came to the right man, you feel? But if you don't know what a pip is, this video is for you, bro. Like, for real, like, real talk. Like, if you don't know what a pip is, I'm gonna try to explain it to you in the most simplest way I can, man. If you really wanna know what a pip is, just stay tuned to the end of the video, and you should have some type of decent clarification of what a pip is, you feel me? Now look, just chill, look at the video, man. Gang. Alright, look, man, before we start the video, I just wanna put a disclaimer out there. Now look, this is my way of teaching somebody to learn a pip. Like, this is the same way that, like, I would teach somebody that's walking up on the street to me today and ask me, like, bro, like, what's a pip? Like, I'm into forex, you know, like, I don't know what a pip is. I keep hearing people talking about pips and I don't know what it is. So first thing first, man, pull up on Google. If you pull up on Google, I'm gonna give y'all the definition of a pip. The definition of a pip from Google is this: a pip is the smallest whole unit of the difference between the bid and ask spread. Now, a bid is the price where you know that you can buy in at some, like, I'm bidding this, like this the bid, and the ask is the actual price that it gets filled at. You know what I mean? I probably said that wrong.
Wait a minute.
But anyway, we'll get into that in a whole different video. You feel me? Right now, this is about pips. Boom. A pip is the smallest. A pip is the smallest whole unit measurement of the difference between the bid and ask spread in a foreign exchange quote. A pip equals 1/100th of 1% or 0.0001. Thus, the forex quote extends out to 4 decimal places. Smaller price increments are measured by fractal pips. A fractal pip is 1/10 of a pip. Now look, I know all that done clouds your brain up, you know, but that's just the definition of a pip. You feel me? Now I'm gonna go further in and explain what a pip is and what a pip means to me and how I see a pip. You feel me? Now look, I know that didn't make no sense, you feel me? But all a pip is, okay, just think of a dollar, right? Think of a dollar. You got $1, right? You got 1.0, you got 1.00000, like that's one whole dollar. Now pip is, say you got one. So you got $1. You got one right here. Then you got point. You got 0.000. That 40, that little column right there, that's a pip. You feel me? That's a pip. Now look, I know it might still sound look confusing, like, what are you talking about? What's a pip? But I'm gonna show you right now. Let's break it down. Let's go. This is the definition right here, y'all. So if you need to go watch a YouTube video to explain it a little bit more to you, if you need to go watch a YouTube video for something that's a little bit more, you know, like broke it down like that, but I'm gonna just show y'all what a pip is. Now look, this is a pip. Take all this shit off. This is a trade that I just got into. Now a pip. Now look, y'all see these little dust plates right here? I see it on the screen. This right here, now look, this is 90 cents, right? 0.90, that's 90 cents, right? Now all this extra shit back here, this is what we care about. This 8 right here, this is a pip. This is a pip. That's all a pip is. If this go up to 9, you see 0.90728. If it say 29, we up 1 pip. Like, look, live right now, live. Look, y'all see this 9 right here? If this 9 go up and wait, actually, let's go to a different time frame so I can move faster. So look, boom, it's moving live. Live is moving. Now look, y'all see it moving live, right? Look right here. Look right here. Look right here. Y'all see the 16 right here? Let's wait to see what it moved to. This is a pip. This is a pip. That's all a pip is. Now when, look, 17. Y'all see it? 17 is going up. It's pipping. That's a pip. That's literally, that's all a pip is. That's all a pip is, gang. That's all a pip is. If this go up to 23, 0.90423, we up 10 pips. Now people can catch 10 pips and be up a lot of amount, but it's all tied into your lot size. Now a lot size, that's gonna be a whole nother video that I'm gonna teach y'all how to calculate. That's a whole nother video. Now that's all a pip is, y'all. Like that hard ass definition to get y'all. Oh my God, I'm still confused. This is a live demonstration of what a pip is. That's all a pip is. It's like a $1. I'm up to $10. If a stock price move from $1 to $2, that's $1. The same thing with forex. Now look, it could get crazy, cause with forex it get crazy, cause like if you hop on the indice, an indice can move a couple hundred pips in a session. Where forex pairs move, you feel me, 20, 30, 40 pips, you know, per session, and that's if that. You know what I mean? But if you trading these indices, they moving hundreds of pips a day. Easy, a day. Cause really, that indice is moving like a regular stock would. You know, cause them bitches move dollars a day. So they moving hella pips, you know what I'm saying? So like, it could take a whole bunch of pips to move this $1. You know, it probably take like 1,000 pips or some crazy shit to move this $1. You know what I mean? Cause this is a pip. It has to keep, you know, going up with this, you know? So that's all a pip is. It's just the last number, like, then the last digit. That's what a pip means to me, you know? Like, if this video not good for you, then go to a different video. You feel me? Go find somebody else on YouTube that you can learn from. But this is just people that want to get a basic understanding of what a pip is. If you want to do your own research and go deeper down in it, you could do that. You know, so I probably gonna need to go do some research on pips and stuff, because you know, you still gotta learn. Like, even though like I know how to trade and now I'm trying to give value to y'all, I still gotta be on top of my game and still be able to learn how to teach y'all too. You know what I mean? Cause forex is not easy. I'm still learning. I'm still learning. Like, if y'all see my old videos, I'm still up. I'm still learning. You know, so that's why it's good to learn so that people don't want to teach you or people that's not talking about. But if you ever hear somebody say, what is a pip? That's a pip. You know what a pip is now. It's the same thing as a dollar or anything else. It's just what forex calculate on how to, you know, give you the money, because these are currencies at the end of the day. This is a currency. This is not a stock. This is not a business. This is a currency. AUD, that's Australian dollar versus Canadian dollar. They fight to see which one's stronger, you know? And and how it go is the pair that's in front is the pair that's is the leader. So it's reacting off. That's a whole nother video. I can teach y'all that in a whole nother video as well, but that's really it for this video, man. Like, that's literally a pip. Like, it literally can move hella pips. You know what I mean? Because we on a 1 minute chart, so it's moving pips a lot. You know, but I mean, that's really it, y'all. Like, I'll show y'all some more examples. Like, let's see indice. Let's see Jer 40. Let's just see indice that's trading right now. Some shit. Well, they probably not trading right now. Like, y'all see this right here? This would be a pip with this. Like, this little one right here. Like, it could get kind of confusing because with indices and shit, it's different. You know what I mean? But I always just go based off the last number. The last number is the pip. You feel me? So this not even moving right now. Like, what is moving right now? It's 9 o'clock. Like, this probably, like, I know for a fact it's moving. It's not even showing the pips, but in the indices it look a little different on here. You know, this is a pip. End of the day, we're going on pips. That's a pip. You know what I mean? That's all it is. None more to it, none less to it. It's just that. That's a pip. But I hope this video helped y'all, man. That's how I look on indices. Like, if you go to like US 30, anything like that. I'm swearing, it's hot in her. Like, this is how I look on US 30. Like, ain't no decimal place. Like, this is the, you looking at this right here. The only, look, you see? It's moving, you see? It just dropped 1 pip. You see? You just at 71. That's all it's doing, bro. It's the same shit. Just looking at the bottom of them. You see us moving right now, 70, 71. That's 1 pip, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? That's all a pip is make sure y'all looking at them last, I say look at the last 2 numbers. That's all numbers that you need to look at. I mean, yeah, you look at the front ones and shit, but really it's the last column. You know what I'm saying? But I hope this video gave y'all some you know, some knowledge, some value. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new, man. I'm Kevo, join the game. We're gonna go crazy, man. And yeah, man, I'm just trying to, you know, just document my YouTube journey, you know. Subscribe and leave a comment saying that I subbed and I might give you $100, you know. I fuck around and give you $100. You never know. But if you don't do it, you won't never find out. So make sure you comment that you subscribe to my channel, and I will make sure, you feel me, that I'll get your cash app and send you a little dub. So you feel me? But with that being said, man, I'm gone. I'll see you in my next video, man. I'm out. Peace. Gang.
I turn around, man, this bitch, I'm killing shit like I'm Herb. You can't fuck with me, I do that shit, I rap this straight to burst. All the fuck you talking about, bitch, I'm against it on me. And that being a fucking till you fucking know me. I'm Kevo gang in this bitch, 100 kind of way. Bitch, we in this bitch T every fucking day.